O I H K I Pig.
It says oink oink.
Oink oink. H O P I H O P I Bad. B A I B A I M E O I M E O I.
It says meow meow. Meow meow. Is that the end? Yes, Olive. Can you say hi? I know you want the phone, don't you? Say hi.
Hi.
Did you enjoy reading that book?
Uh-huh.
You did.
Two. U A C K I. Two U A C K I.
He thinks the exclamation marks are eyes.
O F I. O I. Pig. O I H K I. O P I.
Can you say N?
N.
N.
K O.
Oh.
I.
It looks pretty much like an eye, doesn't it? It's upside down, though. Yes, hi.
O P A.
You're a crank.
I. Puppy. O
Oh, so soft, huh? There's a rabbit.
Pet.
You're petting the rabbit? Very nice. I bet that rabbit's very happy. You can go get Kiki, you poor thing, Kiki. Oh, you're petting the sheep? Oh, you did it!
Pet the sheep. I pet.
And you're petting the sheep? What does the sheep say? Bah.
B A I P A I.
You are petting. Great job. Bye. She's trying to get Kiki. She's getting a hang of it.